This is Bryce and Sean for Bryce Texas Play, and today we are gonna be doing Hot Wheels.
Now this is something that we went to Target to buy because show me.
We got Choco Bubble.
You lost your second tooth.
We got Choco Bubble.
And you were so excited that we already took the car out.
We already got it out, and Julian, we both have, and we already have the cannonball out.
You want this because it launches rockets. That's what that is, a rocket, not
a
what
rocket,
you're saying.
not a cannonball.
Okay, take it out. Show it.
We have some orange tracks, still some in there. Yeah.
Can I do that?
There's still some in there. You get the last one. Yeah. You got it. Okay, now what's this? Oh man. Oh man.
What is it?
Oh man. This is connecting things and stickers.
Oh boy.
More speed track.
Hey guys.
Don't be another speed track. Don't be another speed track. Another.
What is it?
Probably might be a thing. I don't know what that thing is.
Here.
What is it? What is it? The rockets. Of course.
Now let's see, assembly. Well, it says apply labels first, so we could probably do that. Got all these little doohickeys.
Hey, how do you put these orange things? Is this a landing falcon?
Alright,
The landing falcon is on Star Wars.
got all kinds of labels that
Wait,
these, those. Okay, like that.
Oh man.
Does it?
Yeah.
This goes here. So that's like that. And then this. I forgot a piece, didn't I?
Yeah.
So it goes like that. I'm crazy.
Yeah, I caught
Okay.
Okay, so we're not gonna go yet. We start with the shooter thing, to that, around the curve.
Yep, and then to the rocket.
the other one.
And then to the rocket.
So, here, let me just add these extra pieces.
Are you?
I think we got it all. I think we're ready for a test run, right? What do you think? Yeah?
I'm not sure about
Whoa!
My turn.
That was pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Okay, you go set up over there. I'll put this together. Oops. Hang on. Okay, Bryce, come here. I'm going to show you how to do these things, okay? So that you can do it on your own. It's a little anxious. Understandable. Okay, these go on sideways like this. See how the wings go on like this, and then it twists, and then you let it go. So when the car goes through there, it hits the wing and goes pew, just like that. Okay.
So like that?
So you put it on sideways like this. Okay. Put it now, twist, and let it go. Perfect. I'll do it with this one. Kind of got to hang on to the bottom though, because they kind of slip out. So you got to hang on to the bottom where they go in, like that, and then you twist. Okay, Bryce.
No, it's not ready.
Hang on, Julian, hang on. Okay,
Yeah.
here we go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go! Ah!
Whoa, that's fast.
It scared me.
My turn.
That was cool.
Awesome, it goes so fast and everything just shoots out. You like it?
Let's try it again.
Ah, that was a scary ride.
3, go. Oh!
2 just shoot it at me. Look at mommy.
Okay, we're gonna watch from above this time.
Ah, why do you think you try that? Why did it do that? You're gonna have to try again this time. Ready for this? Yeah!
Whoa!
My turn.
Look how far they go.
That was
This is a pretty cool toy, Bryce.
yeah.
Guys, it's my turn.
Not good. Oh, so really not necessary.
Okay, hang on, don't. Probably why it's from ages 6 and up. 5. Can you scooch? Hang on.
So this is the
Wait. Okay, Jillian, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
ah! It almost got me.
All right, there you have it.